Janine Marilyn Brookner was an American lawyer and Central Intelligence Agency officer. She became the first female CIA station chief in Latin America when she took over the Jamaica station in 1989. She was falsely accused of professional misconduct in 1992 by her superiors at the CIA, and after being threatened with a demotion and criminal sanctions, she sued the agency. In 1994, she became the first person to successfully sue the agency for sexual discrimination. She became a lawyer in 1998, specializing in sex discrimination cases against the federal government. Janine Brookner was born on December 26, 1940, in Syracuse, New York. Her mother, Lillian Brookner, was a real estate agent and her father, Philip Brookner, was a union official and distributor for the Post-Standard. Shortly after graduating from high school, she married Howard Brookner. She initially attended Syracuse University before transferring to Russell Sage College, where she graduated in 1964. While in college, she had her first son, Stephen, and divorced her husband when she was 22. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.